Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals to 90, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here you first focus in the left hand side and you see here we have 5 to the power of x be the common term. So here we take common 5 to the power of x, and here we get the remaining value is 1, plus here we get the remaining value is also 1, and this is equals to 90. And now here in the next step we need to sum up 1 plus 1, and you know that 1 plus 1 becomes 2, and it is equals to 90. So here further we need to divide both of the sides by 2, and in order to eliminate this 2 from the left hand side, so this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and this is 2 4s are 8, and we carry 1, and 2 5s are 10. So here we will obtain 5 to the power of x is equals to 45. So here we have, this is the nice exponential equation in which we can solve, and we can solve for the values of x. So here in order to find the value of x, we need to take the log on both of the sides, so that here we will take this log on both of the sides, so it will be written as log of 5 to the power of x equals to log of 45. And now here in the next step we can apply here the nice property of logarithm. So you know that if we have log of a to the power of m equals to m times of log a, so according to this property of log, here we need to move this x in the front of this log, and it will be written as x times of log 5 is equals to log of this is 45, and we write this 45 as 9 times of 5. We know that 9 times of 5 becomes here 45. So further here we need another properties of log. So here we focus in the right hand side, and we will apply this nice property of log. If we have log of a multiplied by b, so it is equals to log of a plus log of b. So according to this property of log, now we will apply this log separately on both of these values, and it will be written as x times of log 5 is equals to log of 9 plus log of 5. So here, because we find the value of x in this problem, so for this we need to remove this log 5 from left hand side. So in order to remove this log 5, we need to divide both of the sides by log of 5 in this manner. Okay, so you see here this log 5 is cancelled out by this log 5, and we will obtain here x is equals to, this is log of 9, and we write this 9 as 3 square, and it is divided by log of 5, plus this log 5 is cancelled out by this log 5, and we will obtain here 1 only. So further here we again apply this property of log, and according to this property of log, we move the exponent m in the front of this log, and it will be written as x is equals to, so here we move this 2 in the front of this log, and it will becomes 2 times of log 3 divided by log of 5 plus 1. So this is the final value of x in this problem. So here we write this into the more simplified form. So we rewrite this term as, this is 2 times of log of 3 with base 5 and plus 1. So this is the final value of x in this problem. And now here in the next step we need to verify this value of x. Is this value of x is satisfied our given question statement or not? So here we will check this. Okay, so further in order to check the value of x, we first need here to copy down the given question statement here. So the given question statement is, so here we start the verification process, so that the given question statement is 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals to 90. So here we will substitute the value of x in the left hand side, and we check that is this equals to right hand side or not. So here first we rewrite this as, this 5 times of x plus 5 times of x becomes 2 times of 5 to the power of x, and this is equals to 90. So when you divide both of the sides by 2, so you finally get here 5 to the power of x equals to 45. So now here our claim is to check that is 5 to the power of x equals to 45 or not. So that here we will substitute the value of x, and the value of x is 2 times of log base 5 with 3 and plus 1, and here we need to check that is the answer of this problem is 45 or not. Okay, so now we need to apply the nice property of exponents. You know that if we have a to the power of m plus n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this, we need to break our above equation, and it will be written as 5 to the power of 2 times of log base 5 and 3, and we have this is 5 to the power of 1. So here we check that is this equals to 45. And now in the next step, we need to move this 2 to the front of this power of this 3, and it will be written as 5 to the power of log base 5 and 3 square, and it is multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 is 5, and here we check that is this equals to 45 or not. So now here, so that now here we can apply another property of log. So according to that property, we know that if you have a to the power of log of base a with b, so if you have this base and this base are same, so these are cancelled out by each other and we get here only b. Okay, so according to this property of log, here this base 5 and this log base 5 are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here this 3 square. We will obtain here 3 square multiplied by 5, and here we check that is this equals to 45 or not. Okay, so 3 square equals to 9, and 9 times of 5 is equals to 45. So here clearly you see that 45 equals to 45. This shows that the value of x is satisfied the given question statement. So here we have the final value of x in this problem is x is equals to 2 times of log 3 with base 5 and plus 1. So this is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.